As you can see, this is a lot of stuff. Today, I went over to get all of the products that we're going to need in the next little while for my business, Holistic Finances, because the short story is we're keeping on making videos and we need things. So what do we got? First one, the old laptop. It made videos. It was slow, it was difficult, editing was a real pain, and whenever it came to any live events, good luck recording and actually running the events simultaneously. So, first thing we've got is a new laptop, courtesy of Asus, which we got from PB Tech. Let's have a little look inside. Oh. 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 So this is an Asus TUF F15 model, and it's not bad. It's an i5, 16 gigs RAM, 512 gigabytes on the hard drive, SSD. Essentially, while it's actually a gaming laptop, I don't need it for gaming. It's all, oh gosh, it's all gaming focused, and you can see, right? Gaming, but because the specs are so good, it's going to be very good for video editing. Box number 1 down, time for box number 2. So we'll go for a small one this time. Lapel microphone by Boya, again courtesy of PB Tech. Love their Black Friday sales. Oh, this feels fancy. So let's see what we've got here. Instruction manual, which realistically I'm never going to read. Some random stickers, which aren't that cool. Carry case. Oh, hello. Hello. So this you will stick onto you. And you've got 2 of them, which is great. And this looks long enough that it will get the job done. Okay, we've got something. And this is maybe the adapter. Hard to see, but I think this is the adapter. So overall, pretty good. Happy with this. So I'll tuck it inside and keep it separately. Now, all the other boxes we got from Harvey Norman. So that's 2 out of the 5 open so far. You see, didn't get a webcam because my phone can be a webcam if I get the right apps, and it's got good enough video quality. Next thing was simple from Harvey Norman. Essentially, it is a car mounting kit. The idea being that, well, sometimes I want to shoot videos in the car. So let's open it up. Try to open it up. It's sealed pretty well. So you can see here, SigFit. Being a little impatient, you know. Come on, open. I want to look inside you. Why don't you open? It's funny, this was better sealed than the laptop. Oh well, you won the best sealed product award. Again. We'll see how this goes. I'm feeling like this could do the job quite nicely. Alright, let's see what we've got. So this goes inside your phone, on the back of your phone, and it's magnetic. And this fits onto your car, and it looks like it goes onto the air vent. So, clamps on. box number 3 done. 2 more left. Now we'll do the big one next. I like the big one. So let's have a look inside. Open sesame. Again, we got this from Harvey Norman. So this is Signet, again Signet, 12-inch LED light and tripod. I needed the lighting for the videos, but I thought, well, heck, if I'm going to be getting a light, I might as well get a tripod all-in-one for the camera, which is my phone, because I'm going to need that as well, potentially. And we've got a box inside a box, but I love the multiple layers of packaging. Carry bag. And this feels like a tripod. Okay, so I guess now we've got a few boxes inside boxes. And this is the tripod. So let's see. Quality-wise, looks decent. Which way around does it even go? Like, you look at it, right, and you go, well, I think this keeps swinging around, but hard to tell. Oh, you loosen it here and it swings? I'm going to have to look at this instruction manual. Anyway, I'll tuck this in for now. And the second half of that is just going to be here. So this, oh God, not what I wanted to do. Well, this is the plug, or tripod. This is the ring light. And this ring light here, this is what's going to attach onto the phone. And a random pulley, well, not a pulley, something that you stuff into it. This will all come together. Honestly, I don't want to assemble it right now. We're going to look at that later. So this can all just pop back in for now. I'm not even going to worry about clothes. Better to do this properly. I'll pop it into the box nicely. So that is box number 4, also from Harvey Norman. And now for box number 5, the final box, where we have our microphone. So I got a Snowball microphone. It looked pretty good. I was looking at the Ice Snowball, but this one had 3 options for the sound, which I thought was probably going to be better overall. This gives me some choice. And yeah, there we go. It folds up. Aha! But another box inside a box. Satisfying sound. I'm very excited for this one because my sound quality could definitely be improved, as you can hear. Oh. 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 Snowball. Probably shouldn't be doing that, but hey. And the tripod. Tell you what, folks, it is somewhere in here. Don't do what I'm doing right now. This is Impatience 101. I'm waiting for my dinner. Ooh. Aha! So here, it's a tiny ass tripod, but it's not as big as I was expecting. Again, I will pop this out. actually feels quite balanced. And the USB cable. I think I've cracked the code. The rainbow is being driven by this stuff. So let's try it. I'm hitting the function key. Dad, can you hit some of those buttons? Just see what happens. Yes, it's off. Okay, the rainbow is gone. The rainbow is gone, thank God. So this thing has already said hi to me and that it's going to take a few minutes. I guess this is a good chance to go and test the performance of this thing. If it's actually a few minutes, it tells us that it's a decent laptop. If a few minutes means a few hours, take it back to the shop. I mean, they've got this weird animation with this like blueness kind of creeping around the screen, which looks slightly more impressive in person than on the phone because the light is rubbish. But yeah. So this was about 2 minutes to come to this screen. I'm actually legitimately impressed. 1.5 to 2. Yeah, 1.5 minutes to 2. This is pretty good in terms of speed. So all in all, this is a pretty successful purchasing experience because now what I've got is all of the equipment that I need to make at least more professional than I'm currently making videos. Essentially, you've got the software required through, well, the laptop hardware to do the video editing properly, to run the live events, to record, all of that as required. That's really important. And with that as well, you've got the audio from these two microphones, one for interviews, the lapel, and the snowball for everything else. You've got the lighting, courtesy of this, and you've got the car mount. So, all in all, pretty happy with this. Little expensive, but we're now set up and ready to go to make some more videos and get these courses up online. See you again soon.